We're gonna take this sheet out like this. We're gonna measure a height of our fuel pump station. It's like bottom is here and here is like 28 centimeters. 28, okay? 28 is like here, and on the top 28. See? We see that our measure instrument only get some way. But now we're gonna see the whole range. 31 in the deepest place. So we're gonna get only for 1 centimeter lower, and we're gonna install this new one. And with this harness, because there is no harness, there's like this wiring directly goes into the socket. We're gonna do this right. We're gonna do this properly. So now we're gonna remove this old fuel pump. That it's not working how we desire. And the wiring plus is red and the minus is black. This part we're going to discard. This part we're going to use. Vacuum stuff. We get a pump, brand new, shiny. You see, it's even kind of oil or something. And what we see it is bigger, so probably it has more power, more liters per minute, but total height is like equal. And this fuel line like is bad. It was cut here, I don't know why. Maybe it's not original. So we gotta replace it for this, and like little more length. So what will I do now? I'm gonna solder red to red and black to black, and we're gonna have this connection. So we're done making our wiring, red to red, black to black. It's all set. Now we're gonna replace this this hose. We gotta do it 1 centimeter longer than this. So we measured it and we cut it. Cut our intake line. Intake fuel line, right? Right, we did it. It fits okay. Okay, we're done. So guys, finally I made myself this fuel station. You see this brand new hose, you see this wiring, This pump is loose to be vertical in the tank, but it has a, you see, it has the safety that connects the pump and the station. So even if he loses here, he won't fall to the tank. So now we're going to install it back and see how it works. Yep. Really really accurate. And carefully we install it on its place. See where bolts is. So we connect it back. Few lines. Okay, boys, we finally did it. Now we're gonna start and watch how it behaves. Good or bad. Leaking or not? Not leaking. First start was kind of hard, but I think this is because the pressure, fuel pressure in the system was kind of zero. Now it works. This will be the most important now. If I stop the car for a couple of minutes and then try to start, it should start immediately. If it will start with the delay, it will mean that this fuel pump motor has no back valve and the fuel pressure is goes to zero. So now we're gonna try it. So we wait 5 minutes till the next go. So guys, we waited for some time. Now I'm gonna close the doors and go with auto start. Okay guys, it's been great to spend the time with you. We did a job. It starts well, so pressure is holding, back valve is good, and we put this system a little lower, so now we won't be stuck if we press the pedal gas too harder than usually. It's good. Will be glad if you use this manual to do it yourself. Subscribe to my channel, press thumbs up. Bye bye. Make sure that no leakage, and the sheet isn't necessary because this is a back line, it has no pressure, and we got a rubber ring, so this sheet is not necessary, and we do now we can remove it really easily. Good luck, bye bye.